to another video. Arnav here, and today I'm going to be making a craft. So I already made a craft with you guys. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make it. Since the Roblox Egg Hunt 2020 is out, it was already out, I decided we should do a craft. So what you got to do is you got to take the paper and then fold it down to the crease. So I might not be doing great at this. Just to make sure. Now, what you gotta do is you gotta take the paper again and you gotta fold it up to the crease up here. So just because I'm doing it correctly. And also guys, I'm not giving you guys a good view. Sorry about that. Because I'm not really great at this. This is my first time doing this. And yeah, so you got it opening and closing now. Now what you gotta do is turn back. And you gotta fold this. Okay. Then you fold it correctly. Then once you get it, you fold this back down. And then you'll get it. Like that. Now what you gotta do is you gotta take your pencil. So you can use color if you want, but I'm using pencil. And you gotta draw a little, like an egg shaped at the top, like a little oval, like that. I'm not gonna be really great at this because I'm just showing you guys how to do it. Then you start by doing it again, except you take it and then you start going down and then you conjoin it together. Also, you can add like a little grass. You can just make a squiggly line and you can just make more squiggly lines, grass. Now what you gotta do next, you can, if you want, because if you're a Roblox player, I'm gonna add the Roblox logo. Let's just add it. Then we're gonna add Egg Hunt 2020. E-G-G. My handwriting is gonna be really bad because I'm seeing through the camera and not my actual paper. So this is going to be pretty bad. And then I'm not going to write Egg Hunt 2020. I'm just going to put a scribble for the eggs design. And I'm going to put some bright lights around it. And now what you got to do is fold this some a little more so it can stay down. Then you can take it, open it up. So here's the thing now what you got to do. Now, you gotta take it and make shards, like this, like broken eggs. But, just a quick tip, don't get it between, don't like get the sharp egg thingies over the line, because what happens is, when you put it down, you can see the little egg cracks. So it's not gonna be surprising. So you can just start by doing that, by going down. And I'll meet you guys when I finish the other one. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that. I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm just going to cut it short very soon. And now let's add some magic. Now give me a sec. Alright, so I already added the design now. So now let's just color it in by using a little magic. Let's just tap it down and do it. Alright, so we got the color ready. I didn't add much color because, not a lot of color. So guys, this is the end of the video, but before I do anything else, I'm just going to show you guys it. Normally I would say subscribe and stuff, but I'll just show you guys it. So as you can see, it's just a normal, basic egg. And it says egg, or E-G-G. because, yeah. And yeah. So you fold it like that. Then you can see it's a normal egg with the Roblox logo, not really. And some grass. But when you open it, oh, the shards are here. And Egg Hunt 2020 comes out. Yay. So that's how you make it, guys. So, and if you do it if you were doing it a little better, this is my normal version. This is my normal version. Like, yeah. And 3, 2, 1. Alright. So, this is the end of the video. But before you do anything else, please subscribe and like this video for more. And like this video and turn on the notifications for more amazing videos. And also share this video. Share the video. Share the video. And also, I'm going to be doing more craft videos because I saw that they're popular now. Thanks to a friend of mine. So anyway, but real quick, shout out to Math and Yam. I think that's what their name is. It's kind of weird. So anyway, this is the end of the video. I already said it. Well, bye!